Whole auto leveling operation process for YD Sign is Series 3D signage printer. 1. Platform operation. Use a level to adjust the table level. Then adjust all the printer feet to the same height. Press the 4 corners of the glass platform to make sure the platform is stable and not shaking. Apply platform glue. Details in platform glue application video. Heat the bed to 50 and wait for the glue to dry. The heating process takes about 15 minutes. Wait for the glue on the platform to dry and become invisible. 2. Preset leveling reference point. Make sure the nozzle is clean before calibration. Find Z Calibrate in More Settings, then click Start. Adjust the Z height so that the distance between nozzle and bed is about the thickness of an A4 paper. If the A4 paper is scratched by the nozzle, it means the nozzle is too low and needs to be raised. Below you can select the distance of each lift or drop. Be careful not to click continuously to prevent the nozzle from hitting the platform. A4 paper just passes through, and the distance between nozzle and platform is just correct. Finally, select Accept to save the Z height value. Note: this step is to set the leveling reference point home 0 point. It is not necessary to do it every time. It only needs to be done once after changing nozzle. 3. Test printing to complete auto leveling. Make sure the glass platform is clean. Find and tap bed mesh in the More settings. Then select Calibrate in the upper right corner. The machine will automatically calibrate with the probe. After the calibration is completed, select Save Configuration. Then the software will restart. The program will record the platform data. When nozzle to low. If the nozzle to low, it will unable to extrude out filament. Meantime, the high temperature nozzle may burn the filament, become carbonized, then cause the nozzle to be clogged. If you see the nozzle is too low and cannot extrude out, raise the nozzle much higher immediately. Click Fine Tuning, then click Z+ to raise the nozzle height. If the nozzle is too low, you can raise it more. When nozzle to high. If the nozzle is too high, the extruded filament will be round and not flat enough, and there will be obvious gaps between the filament lines. When nozzle is at high temperature, the filament will flow out naturally, so the nozzle will not be clogged in a short time. So we recommend to leveling adjust nozzle height from high to low so that it is not easy to cause nozzle clogging. After adjusting the height of the Z-axis, cancel printing or finish printing, save the Z-axis value, and all afterwards prints will use this data.